Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to hide spoilers on Discord mobile? Here's how. First of all, open Discord and choose any channel where you want to send a spoiler message. Now type your message and warp it with two vertical bars on each side like this. Hit send and your message will be hidden as a spoiler. Or use the /spoiler command to automatically hide your message. If you are on an iPhone, simply long press your text and tap mark as spoiler. Easy, right? And that's it. Now you can hide spoilers like a pro on Discord mobile. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.